Good morning everyone. Today is February the 14th, 2020 and we are in Heber Springs, Arkansas. Landed safe and sound yesterday and today is also a very beautiful day, blue skies, no wind, so we'll be shortly on our way. But before that we are going to do some preventive maintenance. Yesterday we had some struggle to start our engines, and so we want to make sure that those mags and spark plugs are fine, because obviously the further north we go the harder it might become to start those engines. So if there is something to change or to check, we want to do it now. It's the right time to do it. So let's check that, and then let's go to Kansas, our next destination.
Yeah, they're supposed to be 25 degrees, and one of them's 25 and a half, and the other one's right there close to 25.
Okay.
So they're within limits, close enough.
All right. Where do you think the struggle to start the engine comes from?
The gaps on them are way too big.
Do we need to replace them? Or?
No, they're just poor maintenance.
Oh, we need to make the gap
Yes, ma'am.
tighter. Okay, got it.
No such thing as multi-weight. Right. Everything.
See the little hole right there?
Yeah. Oh, it should look like that. All right. So that would be also a reason why it struggled to start.
See, one of them.
Yesterday we took off and we made it 20 miles and we had to turn around and come back because the radio failed in Kate's airplane. I couldn't talk to her and we didn't know where we were, so I would tell Kate to key her microphone 3 times if it was her. So we started working out a Morse code system so that we could get back to the airport, and when we got back to the airport I made the radio calls, and every time she liked what she heard she would click the mic 3 times. And so we went in and landed, and Kate did a perfect landing and everything was good, and then we went on to fixing the radio. We had 50+ mile-an-hour wind with low-level wind shear all over our route, so we decided to stay at the Heber Hot Springs airport today. And during that time we started going over the way we fly in Alaska and different things like that, so that Kate would be ready when she gets there. But we're down here by the lake, you know, which is, I guess, what makes Heber Hot Springs famous. I haven't found the hot springs yet.
Because it's not called hot springs, it's just Heber Springs.
No. Really?
Really?
In Alaska, it would be called hot springs. We are in a retired Crown Victoria police interceptor, complete with the light that doesn't work, bucket seats, where all the radio equipment would have been. It's a certified speedometer.
It is written down there.
It goes up to 140
miles per hour.
miles per hour because it's a police interceptor.